Unemployment insurance weekly claims. Transmission of materials in this release is embargoed until 8:30 a.m. Eastern, Thursday, July 29, 2021. Seasonally adjusted data. In the week ending July 24, the advance figure for seasonally adjusted initial claims was 400,000, a decrease of 24,000 from the previous week's revised level. The previous week's level was revised up by 5,000 from 419,000 to 424,000. The 4-week moving average was 394,500, an increase of 8,000 from the previous week's revised average. The previous week's average was revised up by 1,250 from 385,250 to 386,500. The advanced seasonally adjusted insured unemployment rate was 2.4% for the week ending July 17, unchanged from the previous week's unrevised rate. The advance number for seasonally adjusted insured unemployment during the week ending July 17 was 3,269,000, an increase of 7,000 from the previous week's revised level. The previous week's level was revised up 26,000 from 3,236,000 to 3,262,000. The 4-week moving average was 3,290,750, a decrease of 53,750 from the previous week's revised average. This is the lowest level for this average since March 21, 2020, when it was 2,071,750. The previous week's average was revised up by 6,500 from 3,338,000 to 3,344,500. Unadjusted data. The advance number of actual initial claims under state programs, unadjusted, totaled 344,653 in the week ending July 24, a decrease of 66,591, or minus 16.2%, from the previous week. The seasonal factors had expected a decrease of 41,806, or minus 10.2%, from the previous week. There were 1,202,278 initial claims in the comparable week in 2020. In addition, for the week ending July 24, 45 states reported 95,166 initial claims for pandemic unemployment assistance. The advance unadjusted insured unemployment rate was 2.4% during the week ending July 17, unchanged from the prior week. The advance unadjusted level of insured unemployment in state programs totaled 3,247,071, a decrease of 28,428, or minus 0.9%, from the preceding week. The seasonal factors had expected a decrease of 35,837, or minus 1.1%, from the previous week. A year earlier the rate was 11.6% and the volume was 16,882,632. The total number of continued weeks claimed for benefits in all programs for the week ending July 10 was 13,156,252, an increase of 582,403 from the previous week. There were 31,898,353 weekly claims filed for benefits in all programs in the comparable week in 2020. During the week ending July 10, extended benefits were available in the following 12 states: Alaska, California, Connecticut, District of Columbia, Illinois, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Rhode Island, and Texas. Initial claims for UI benefits filed by former federal civilian employees totaled 1,080 in the week ending July 17, an increase of 207 from the prior week. There were 661 initial claims filed by newly discharged veterans, an increase of 90 from the preceding week. There were 10,568 continued weeks claimed filed by former federal civilian employees the week ending July 10, an increase of 681 from the previous week. Newly discharged veterans claiming benefits totaled 6,758, an increase of 855 from the prior week. During the week ending July 10, 47 states reported 5,246,162 continued weekly claims for pandemic unemployment assistance benefits and 46 states reported 4,233,883 continued claims for pandemic emergency unemployment compensation benefits. The highest insured unemployment rates in the week ending July 10 were in Puerto Rico, 5.2, California, 4.4, Nevada, 4.3, New Jersey, 3.8, Rhode Island, 3.8, Illinois, 3.7, New York, 3.5, Pennsylvania, 3.5, Connecticut, 3.4, and District of Columbia, 3.2. The largest increases in initial claims for the week ending July 17 were in Michigan, plus 13,547, Texas, plus 10,730, Kentucky, plus 8,945, Missouri, plus 6,056, and Illinois, plus 3,915, while the largest decreases were in New York, minus 10,727, Puerto Rico, minus 3,904, Tennessee, minus 3,510, Oklahoma, minus 3,393, and Georgia, minus 1,870. Unemployment insurance data for regular state programs. Week ending July 24. Initial claims, seasonally adjusted. 400,000. Initial claims, not seasonally adjusted. 344,653. 4-week moving average, seasonally adjusted. 394,500. Week ending July 17. Insured unemployment, seasonally adjusted. 3,269,000. Insured unemployment, not seasonally adjusted. 3,247,071. 4-week moving average, seasonally adjusted. 3,290,750. Insured unemployment rate, seasonally adjusted. 2.4%. Insured unemployment rate, not seasonally adjusted. 2.4%. Initial claims filed in federal programs, unadjusted. Week ending July 24. Pandemic unemployment assistance, 95,166. Week ending July 17. Federal employees, UCFE, 1,080. Newly discharged veterans, UCX, 661. Continued weeks claimed filed for UI benefits in all programs, unadjusted. Week ending July 10. Total, 13,156,252. Footnotes. SA seasonally adjusted data, NSA not seasonally adjusted data. Continued weeks claimed represent all weeks of benefits claimed during the week being reported, and do not represent weeks claimed by unique individuals. 1. Prior year as comparable to most recent data. 2. Most recent week used covered employment of 137,027,194 as denominator. 3. Information on the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance (PUA) program can be found in UIPL 16-20, PUA program information. 4. Information on the Pandemic Emergency Unemployment Compensation (PEUC) program can be found in Unemployment Insurance Program Letter, UIPL 17-20, PEUC program information. 5. Information on the EB program can be found here, EB program information. 6. Some states maintain additional benefit programs for those claimants who exhaust regular benefits, and when applicable, extended benefits. Information on states that participate, and the extent of benefits paid, can be found starting on page 4-4 of this link, Extensions and Special Programs PDF. 7. Information on STC work sharing can be found starting on page 9-10 of the following link, Extensions and Special Programs PDF. 8. Totals include PUA unemployment for the appropriate corresponding week.